All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about frustration in auto repair. So we've all been there, a car's kicking our butts, and it's just, you want to throw things, you want to beat things, you want to, yeah, it's a bad idea. You know, I know guys that will throw stuff. I've known guys that, you know, just get more and more in that ugliest part of their mind because that car is kicking their butt. You just got to pick up the pieces and move on. I mean, I can point to one right there that is not because of his fault, but because of stuff outside of his control. Bam Bam's gotten his butt kicked. Word of advice, don't change suppliers that work. So I know it can be frustrating sometimes. Cars aren't, you know, cooperating. You just got to walk away for a minute, calm down before you hurt yourself or something on the car. I can't stress that enough. When you're working and you're just getting more and more frustrated, that's when more and more stuff goes wrong because you're so frustrated. You got to just walk away for a minute. You just have to. I mean, you just walk away. You know, I've had bosses go, "What are you doing? Why aren't you, I'm like, do you really want me to quit? I'm like, do you really want me to quit right now? Because you get so frustrated, that's when stuff's going to go horribly wrong. So important when you're having a bad day, relax. It's just a car. You will win. So remember that. When you're getting your butt kicked, you will win. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.